Hello, my name is Carson Stevens. I'm an engineer with IMS USA, and today I'm going to be discussing the maintenance of our IMS woodworking tool holders and the importance of keeping them clean of debris and corrosion free. Here we have some woodworking tool holders in arbor and a collet chuck. The maintenance for these cones are generally the same. Although our woodworking line requires minimal maintenance, the integrity of our cones can be prolonged by wiping them down and making sure they are free of debris after every use. Firstly, remove the tool from the spindle of your machine. Be sure to do this after every use. In order to clean, you will first need to remove the tool from the tool holder. Remember to use a tool clamper to avoid damaging the tool or tool holder during the removal process or even for your own safety. Then, using a dust-free cloth, wipe it down and remove any dirt, dust, chips, or particles still left on your tool holder. After cleaning your tool holder, you want to examine it for any defects to make sure it hasn't been damaged in any way. If you notice any surface imperfections, you could use an abrasive cloth. Once your tool is removed, examine your collet, nut, or locking kit depending on the type of tool holders, and check for stressed collets, damaged threads on the nut, and locking kits have been damaged or corroded in any way. It's also important to always check the pedal collets to avoid breakages. You can take preventative measures to ensure the longevity of your tools by using professional accessories for cleaning, tightening, clamping, and storage. I hope the information given today was very helpful. These tool holders and maintenance information are available on our website at www.imsusanc.com. Thank you for watching, and make sure to comment and like us on our social media.